Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to change language on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to change language on TikTok? Firstly, click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy, scroll these options and you will see here there is an option of language. Click on that app language and select any of the language which you want to change or which you want to add on your TikTok account. Like I have selected English, my all app will be in English. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.